show them the stage of birds that used to take starter feed from day old now to 2 weeks. These are the birds. These are the pullets. They are about 2 weeks now. They are taking starter feed. After taking the starter feed, they will go over to chick mash. These are the birds. These are their feeding troughs, their drinkers and their feeders. This is the stage they used to take small drinkers and small chick tray. This is pullet birds. They are taking starter feed at this level now. Thank you. Let's go over to see the broilers that are taking finisher. Okay. Let's go over to broiler house. These are our broilers. Hey, they are here now. This is 6 weeks broilers. They are now taking finisher feed. This is the stage they used to take finisher feed. They are about 6 weeks now. They will take the finisher from 5th week to the day of your slaughtering, or you sell them out. This is the last stage of their feeding, the finisher stage. Thank you. Let's go over to grower stage. This is our growers. They are here. This is about 16 weeks old bears. They are about to lay eggs. Maybe before they are 20 weeks, they will start laying. This is the growers. They are taking grower feeds for now. This is the growers. Let's go over to layer station that are laying, those that are eating layer feed. They are there. This is our layers, our laying birds. This is the large stage of their feeding. They are now taking layer feed now. You can see they are laying all over. They are laying. This is their laying stage. They are taking layer feed. Look at their eggs. Look at their eggs here now. Their eggs are here. They are laying. You can see them now. Can't you see them? You can see they are laying. This is their last stage. After giving them starter, grower, then we give them the layers. This is their last stage. They are laying. They are laying stage. You can see the best attendants taking their eggs. This is the collection of eggs. You can see her picking the eggs with the chocolate. Picking eggs. This is the collection of eggs. Picking eggs. This is layers. All of them are laying. They are taking layer feeds. This is the last stage of their feeding. They are eating and laying eggs. See their eggs. They are collecting their eggs now. She is collecting their eggs for customers to come and buy.
I hope you enjoyed this channel. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.